Okay, so I've gone back through and used restore default settings and started all over again. Started with basic. Gains are all 100%. Aircraft is correct. Mounting is correct. RC is correct. Everything moves the way it should. This works. IOC works. Gains again, all 100. Advanced, using 4-cell. Those are default values, I didn't change them at all. Motors recommended with intelligent startup. Feel safe is go home and land. IOC is on. Gimbal switch is off. Voltage, tools. I came back, I did a basic calibration and then went through and did advanced calibration. Plugged it all in and let me show you what happens. Let me disconnect power. Disconnect that. Put the battery back in. It's in manual mode. IOC is off. Oh, by the way, just as a note, my pack's up here just to use while I'm setting everything up. Just 2 4-cell or two cell batteries. Okay, blinking stopped, and we'll try. Let's see what happens. Nothing that way. Nothing. Nothing. Nothing, nothing, nothing. I do have it set so failsafe works. I have a mix, so it'll go into failsafe when I click the mix, but the motors don't start. You can hear them. ESC's initialize, and that's where I'm at. I think after I finish doing this, I'm going to try bringing the firmware back down to, I think it's 1.8 or 2, something like that, and see if I have any luck with that. There you go.